Alright, so we have Missouri. I just wanted to see how she did by all sorts of stuff. And we'll see. Good go, Nina. That was very good. Good job, Zuri. That's so good. Look at a pretty lady. Her tail's tucked, which I don't like that, but she's looking. She's paying attention. Nice. She's taking her food, so that's a good thing. There's I guess a food truck, pimento cheese kind of event today, so it's really cool. You stop it. Nina. Go, Zuri. Nina, you stop it. Nobody asked your opinion. Nobody asked your opinion. No. No. Stop it. Jeez. Oh, is she?
Yeah.
Just walk around like the tree? No. No. Stop it. Stop it. Nina, walk. Come on. No. Walk. No. Walk. Good girl. There you go. She did it. It's pretty scary. I don't know if you can hear, but there's a lot of, the stuff that runs these trucks is super loud, and it's a little scary, but she's doing okay. She's trying her best. It's a big environment, but she's not petrified, but she's definitely not necessarily happy about it. You okay, Bubba?